Carpenter. I'm an undergrad student at Idaho College, and my project is Project Sunfish. So the Beatles sung about a yellow submarine. Turns out it's a lot harder to waterproof one, and even harder, wait, no, sorry. It has enough O-rings to make a plumber jealous. So, thank you. My project is, it's a commercially available sub that you can buy through a company called Blue Robotics. Our job is to design an automatic water sampling system to collect lake samples of lake or land. There's 3 phases of the project. My phase, phase 1, is taking the sunfish and actually breaking it back down to factory. It was used in a previous project in 2021 and left in storage for 5 years. So when I got it, there was a lot of jerry-rigged components that I had to unwire, fix, take out unneeded electronics, put them back together in the correct order, which is a lot harder than it sounds, I promise, and dive with it. So we had our first successful dive about 3 weeks after I started the project. Turns out, a small leak happened, and water and electronics don't mix. It could have ruined the whole thing, but it was a pretty simple fix, in theory. One of the thrusters would work, so I just swapped the thruster from the front to the top, and the leak was the hard part. So I spent a month taking apart the entire thing, changing out 25 to 30 O-rings. You have to take them out, inspect them for cracks, deformations, re-silicone, and put them back in. I did that probably, 40 times. It's a lot. I went through a lot of O-rings and silicone. The pressure spec is another big one that I had to run into, where we take a vacuum pump and plug both ends of the battery enclosure and the electronics enclosure and pump it. It takes about 300 pumps to fully pull all the air out, which seems, it's a lot. It's a good 4-hour workout. And then the third thing I did to fix the pressure problem was take the original 12-inch acrylic enclosure and replace it with a 18-inch acrylic enclosure that we have nicknamed Extendo Tubo. Replaced it, and on Monday we had our second successful dive. A couple issues, but nothing crazy, so it all worked out great. Phase 2 of the project will be designing the automatic collection sample system, which is going to be a very scientific Ziploc bag inside a 3D printed mesh enclosure with a servo motor and a flip top lid to collect 3 different samples at 3 different depths pertaining to the certain areas we test in. And then the third phase will be actually taking this, the sunfish out and testing. So with the sunfish, we're going to eliminate the need for boat trips to sample. It's a costly thing, paying everybody to go out there, the boat, fuel, docking fees, everything. We'll just be able to basically throw this thing in as long as there's 2 feet of water and sample from the shore. And yeah, thank you, that's my project.